Good afternoon, my lovely ladies. How are we, huh? You doing good? All right, you are getting big. Still got to order more of a poultry netting with smaller squares on it. Probably just use Premier One. I might look around. I know there's other people getting in the game these days selling electric netting. So I don't know, we'll see. But I know Premier One is high quality, long lasting. And I got to get a charger, a portable solar powered one that can just go wherever the net goes. Axe and shovel. And I put them up yesterday. Oh, here we go. And I need the watering can. Axe. Shovel. Yesterday's trees in the ground looking good. Nothing looks extra wilty like they had a lot of shock or anything like that. Now this one might actually look like it's already greening up a little bit. These leaves were very yellow. This one I think is doing good. This one is doing good. We need to get some hay or some straw or some mulch material around this. All right, let's get to work. I got to find a shady spot to set you, or my phone's going to get too hot and it's going to shut off. As always, we start with the trusty axe. Make sure we get these roots taken care of. One down, 2, 6 to go. All right, I gotta lose this shirt, I'm dying. Ow, that hurt. That root slapped me, like smacked my fingers. So this guy just so happened to be getting planted where there was an old dead rotting tree. So I've got all this rotting material right here. Got all this material that I can use for mulch around this puppy, and I'll take some over there. Those other trees. Skyline, you want to help me with that? You can get some of this. See how I'm breaking it up? Just break it up the best you can around the base of that tree. Make it as small pieces as possible. Man, this stuff hasn't rained in weeks. This stuff is soaking wet. It just holds that moisture.
Yeah, like this.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, and there's more over here too, around this tree. So just load it up until it's all covered and looking good, okay?
The last time we went there, I didn't know how to plant.
Yeah. It's good. It's good.
And that water there is from all the way deep underground.
Okay. You talking about Nana's pool?
No, Grace Park.
Oh yeah, that one. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. That would be really cool to go do. Look at this guy. Old rotted tree. This is mulch gold mine. Just break this up a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Some of this is dry, but some of this is still a little moist because it's been, you know, in contact with the ground and it's been decomposing. So it's already got lots of microbiomes and mitochondria. No, that's in your DNA. Or something, I don't know. Little critters. Little critters eating it up, breaking it down. Good for the soil. And the fact that it hasn't rained in probably 2 or 3 weeks. Like this right here. This is still moist to the touch. You can feel it. Hasn't rained in 2 or 3 weeks and this stuff is still wet. Oh, that's golden. Golden, people. All right, we're doing pretty good. Been at it for an hour. We got 3 done. We got 4 left to do right here. I forgot about the 2 blueberries sitting over there in that sunny patch. So we're gonna plant the last 4 trees that I got. We'll see. I think this will be good enough. 1, 2 right next to this stump. I don't like that. Let's bring it out here a little bit. I'm not looking for straight lines. I'm not looking for, you know, perfection. I just want a whole bunch of fruit trees in the ground all over the place. You know what I'm saying? All right. Well, you guys, I could do a couple of different things at this point. And that is keep going and utterly destroy myself. My hands are raw from the axe and the shovel and the roots and the thorns and the vines. And I'm pretty tired. And I do have another hour that I could work, but I really only about a half hour of work because once I actually break for work, it takes me about a half hour to get everything cleaned up and put up. And I still got to water. We've done good. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fruit trees in the ground today. 2 yesterday, 6 today, 8 total. I still got 2 more trees to do, orange and a lemon, and 2 blueberry bushes. So that will give us 12 fruit-bearing plants / trees here on the homestead. And to top it all off, these are the same 12 fruit-bearing plants that we bought 3 years ago and have utterly abused and left in their pots. Watered and fertilized occasionally, and they have like died off and come back so many times. These guys are troopers. They are soldiers. They are just the kind of plants that we need at the Hewitt Homestead. Plants that thrive in neglect. I should be able to get the last 4 in the ground tomorrow. That's going to wrap up our orchard installation for now. We're going to be constantly adding to these as we expand the property and get more areas cleared out, turn more areas into pasture, and start cycling the chickens as the chicken flocks grow. And it's just going to be a beautiful circle of life. Guys, I'm so glad that y'all are here sharing this with us. This is so much fun making these videos. I enjoy hanging out with you. I enjoy seeing your comments. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And we're going to see you guys again real soon. God bless you. Bye-bye.